moment. You can do our Instagram post is live. You can do it after our session when it finishes, okay? Now, I am moving into next segment. Are you guys all energized? Now, let me talk about lifestyle. In the first segment, we touched about mental stress. We touched about mobile phone radiation, all kinds of negative frequencies. Now, let me talk about lifestyle. What we eat and what we drink. Our food supposed to be 80% alkaline and 20% acidic. But in this fast-paced life, we are exactly doing opposite. We are eating all kinds of fast foods, stored foods, preserved foods, the food with a lot of processings, chemicals. And coming to the second most important thing for our survival is water. Drinking water is very, very important because our body, human body, is made of 70% of water. And the water that we drink, it is coming not from the natural resources today like rivers, but they are coming from reservoirs, or they are coming from pipeline systems which were built over 70 or 80 years back. Ultimately, the result is that we are drinking the water which we call it as dead water or distorted water. And when you look these waters under microscope, the structure of these dead waters, it appears like this. The dead water doesn't have any kind of hexagonal crystal structure. It is distorted. It doesn't have life force energy, which we all need in order to hydrate ourselves. But don't worry. QNet, Amezcua, has the solution for you. I'm going to introduce the next revolutionary wellness device, Amezcua BioDisc 3. If you have this product with you right now, in your home, in your office, you can convert any amount of dead water into structured water, or the water which has got life force energy. How does this structured water look like under microscope? Let me show you the picture. So structured water looks so immaculate. You can see the hexagonal crystal structure. This hexagonal crystal structure is so beautiful, and it is because of the result of BioDisc. I want to play a video before I explain how the BioDisc 3 works. Let's have the video. Ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you a revolutionary Amezcua BioDisc 3. Amesqua BioDisc 3, it has got three very unique features. The first one, it is infused with minerals and crystals. It undergoes a special energization process. And the third one, the BioDisc has got a unique design on top of it. If you look at closely, our Amesqua BioDisc 3 has got a unique design. It follows the principles of geometry. And guys, this design alone has got a specific function, and this is amazing. If you leave the BioDisc in your environment where you have laptops, where you have all electronic gadgets, the design alone transforms harmful man-made frequencies into beneficial frequencies. If you are caring about your kids who are constantly addicted to mobile phones, this kind of technology, you definitely consider having a BioDisc for your home. And BioDisc, the main function is to energize the water that you drink. So put a glass of water on top of it or a bottle of water, leave it there for 5 to 10 minutes, the water structurizes. If you want to carry the BioDisc in your pocket, fantastic, because your entire body, 70% is made of water. So you are getting structured water in your body, entire body. You can feel the difference. Your energy levels will be up. The people around you will notice, hey, what happened to you? Why you are so energized? I can see that you are lively after using the BioDisc. And BioDisc for ladies is fantastic. All your personal care products. You can put your personal care products on top of the disc, leave it there. It will get energized and absorbs better. The chemicals won't affect your skin. And also, you can keep your BioDisc inside the refrigerator, where we all store fruits, vegetables, milk, and all this stuff. With the BioDisc energy field, they last longer. The shelf life of your fruits and vegetables extends. Isn't it fantastic? Now, I recall the first ever BioDisc was launched in the year 2006. It's been 14 years of legacy under Amesqua brand. We have introduced first generation of BioDisc chip pendant, and we have BioLite. We have other products also. And it's been 14 years. From my bottom of my heart, I want to say thank you for all of you who are using, supporting, giving us testimonies that you love Amesqua, that you love our products. QNet and Amesqua brand determined to always bring you the products which have 100% safety and 100% efficacy. So we have certifications from independent laboratories or independent institutions confirming the same efficacy and safety. Couple of years back, we went one step ahead, and we also started doing clinical studies. You understand how important the clinical studies are. They validate the claims that our energy products actually have. And to help us with clinical studies and also to validate, we also started advisory board, our QNet Scientific Advisory Board. I want to introduce you the first member of our QNet Advisory Board, Dr. Konstantin Korotkov from Russia. He is a fantastic quantum physicist who has 100 scientific papers to his name, and he also has 15 patents. He is the inventor of a device which measures your human biofield. And this week on, he took out his time out of his busy schedule. Okay, he's the most, you can say, requested person by so many governments, and he agreed to record a special message for all of us. Let us see what Dr. Konstantin Korotkov has to say to We Family.
Hello everybody, I'm Professor Konstantin Korotkov and I'm scientific consultant for Kunet companies for many years. And in this strange time when we can't meet, we need to be only online, the most important to keep your energy high and to keep your immunity, because your immunity depends on your energy. For this, you need to get fresh air, you need to get water, you need to walk on the streets to make exercise, and of course you need to use different supports. And Kunet products, and first of all Kunet BioDisc3 will help you a lot. We did a lot of research with this BioDisc3, with water, with people, with big group of people, and it was demonstrated that it's really very helpful. I'm looking forward to make new research with BioLite, and we plan this, and I'm sure again we'll have very good results, because I believe in Kunet company. It's like a family. It's not just a business company. This company is designed to help people, and for many years it proves it more and more. So please be healthy, keep your energy strong, and I hope to see you, a lot of you, next year at our Kunet meetings. Thank you.